In the previous lesson, we worked with real financial data. We saw prices, returns, and volatility. But this raises an important question. Are these movements predictable? Or is there something fundamentally uncertain about them? So, in this video, we will understand the difference between deterministic and stochastic systems. Let's start with an observation. In financial markets, the same situation does not always lead to the same outcome. Two similar market conditions can produce very different results. So, the question is very simple. Why can't we predict financial outcomes precisely? Why don't we get the same result every time? Let's first understand deterministic systems. In a deterministic system, the outcome is fully determined by inputs. If you know the inputs, you can predict the output exactly. In such systems, there is no randomness. If you repeat the same experiment, you get the same result every time. There is no uncertainty. Many physical systems behave like this. For example, if you throw a ball with the same force and angle, it follows the same path. These systems are predictable. Now, let's look at stochastic system. In a stochastic system, outcomes are not fully predictable. There is randomness involved. Even if conditions look similar, the outcome can vary. There are many possible paths the system can take. This is what we observe in financial markets. For example, stock prices are a classic example. Even with the same information, prices can move differently. News, expectations, and behavior all play a role, and this makes markets a stochastic system. This connects directly to what we saw earlier. Financial data is not stable. It contains randomness. So, financial markets are best understood as stochastic systems. This has an important implication. We cannot predict exact outcomes. Instead, we think in terms of probabilities. We estimate ranges and not precise values. If markets were deterministic, trading would be easy, but in reality, they are not. Now, let's compare and summarize. Deterministic systems are predictable. Same inputs leads to same outputs. Stochastic system involve randomness. Here, same inputs can lead to different outcomes. So, financial markets fall into the second category, that is stochastic systems. Now that we understand randomness in systems, we can go deeper. In the next lesson, we will build intuition for white noise. This is a fundamental concept in financial modeling. Till then, thank you for watching, and as always, happy learning.